Namaste and welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today in our special side dish, we are moving from chutneys to gravies. This is a South Indian style mixed vegetable gravy and full of flavor. Let's see how to make it. Want a perfect side dish for your chapati or puri? This mixed veg gravy tastes just perfect. Here I have 1 cup of chopped mixed vegetables, cauliflower, carrot, peas, potato, beans. You can use whatever mix of vegetables you have. 1 tomato, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of fresh coconut, about 5 cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some garam masala and chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf. In your blender jar, add the fresh grated coconut, cashew nuts, saunf or fennel seeds. Add some water and make it into a smooth paste. Now heat about 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add the chopped onion. Saute the onions till they are golden. Next, add in the ginger garlic paste and stir the two till the raw smell has gone. Next, add in the chopped tomato and again stir everything well till the tomatoes become nice and soft. The tomatoes have become soft. Add half teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, add required quantity of salt. Mix everything very well. Stir it again for a minute or so. Now add in your mixed vegetables. Add a little water and cook till soft. Our vegetables have cooked well. Now add this smooth creamy paste of cashew, saunf and coconut which we had made, and mix everything well together. You can adjust the consistency. Simmer it on a low flame for about 5 minutes till it is nice and creamy. See, our mixed vegetable gravy has been simmering well, reached the perfect consistency. An excellent combo for chapati, puri or even dosa at times. Now we can switch it off. See how rich and thick it is, just like how they serve in South Indian restaurants. So today I am serving out this mixed veg gravy which is piping hot along with some puris. This South Indian style mixed veg gravy goes so well with puri and chapati. Do try it out and definitely come back again tomorrow to see what is our next side dish recipe in this series of 30 days 30 veg side dishes. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and share the recipe with your family and friends.